So you want to be an artist, even if you're an artist only in your soul? You need to draw, you need to find time to do it. Even if you're only planning and thinking around this idea that you're an artist, you need to draw. And you will never get enough time to start it before you just do it intentionally. My name is Victoria, and on my channel now we are exploring the ways how to draw people with confidence, in an expressive way, with interesting color palettes, without any fears. So today we are going to continue our exploration, and today we are going to draw a character just in 5 minutes. So let's dive into our sketching practice. This is my choice for our today's practice. As a reference, we are going to draw this man, and in this series of videos where we are exploring how to draw people without any fear, we have never tried to draw a sort of profile view. So today we are going to do it. And I decided that today's practice will be for total beginners, because before that 2 times it was a little bit more complicated cases. But today, if you're a total beginner, feel free to join me. It will be super useful, and I hope it will be super fun. As I told before, today we're going to continue our way of drawing ugly characters, and for creating a strange and clumsy silhouette, we are going to use this instrument. Today tutorial is for iPad, so we are going to use lasso and this freehand mode. So we are going to draw our character using only this lasso, and after that I will fill it with a color. You will see everything. And one more trick which will help you to get rid of your fear of drawing people, that we will draw the huge character. I mean that we will use the whole surface of our paper. I know that beginners, they usually I saw it so many times that they draw just little character, like something like this, and that's it. And I see from this attitude the huge fear. So our today's task will be very easy, but it consists of 3 things. The first is that we are going to use our lasso instrument. The second, that our character will be huge. And the third, that I know that you all are busy people, so we are going to spend only 5 minutes. So just to complete the task and feel ourselves like a winners from the early morning. So let's start doing it. So the silhouette is ready, and you can see that it is sort of unproportional and ugly, and it is what we really need, what we actually need, because we don't want to be afraid of drawing people. And we have only 4 minutes now. So I blocked this layer, and I'm going to color it just very roughly, quickly, and without any fear. Pink, I adore pink ears, and this blushes. This is super fun for me. It's add my vision. we're going to draw his shirt. We are like on a race. We need to create very, very quickly, because today is the day when we are doing everything very quickly. By the way, do you want to find out how I draw with the same color, but the hues, they are different? If you're interested in it, let me know in comments, and maybe I will make a video how to create how to say this special type of brushes, custom brushes. I forgot the word. Like two minutes. We have only 2 minutes, so be quick. The bottle, sort of this label. Maybe read some. No, you know this. Uh, 1.5 minutes. I need to be quick. Today we don't have so many details, so just grab the main attention to main things, and don't worry about the rest. But I want to draw some face features. What is it? Oh, it doesn't have. It's the whole leg. Okay. He doesn't need to be realistic. We need just to grab our impression, and it is enough for this such a quick sketch. 22 seconds and a little bit of gray hair here and there. Eight seconds. But I'm almost there. Here, which side? So that's it. This is our sketch. It is ready. I want to add more contrast here and there. So, in spite of the fact that we don't have enough time, but I still can add a little bit. You know, just for fun. Do it when you feel that you want this fun. Don't limit yourself like this. So, a little more contrast. Just to add more emotions. No, and of course, you know, these details, they always pay back. And a little bit of shadow under his feet. Super. Here we are. Our sketch is ready. Only 5 minutes. It took only 5 minutes. You definitely can find 5 minutes during your day to devote it to your passion, to your favorite pastime, just to enjoy your drawing practice, and it always gives you a lot of enjoyment, fun, and after that you can add a little bit of details, just if you want to. No. But I still want to add him a little bit of okay. That's it for our today's practice. So, how do you feel after today's practice? Let me know in comments. What have we got today? This is my today's sketch. What can we say about it? That it was made very, very fast. Only 5 minutes. Almost everyone can find these 5 minutes during the day. The first good one, that today I am an artist. No one can say something else. No, I am an artist today. The second thing, we used this lasso instrument in iPad Procreate. Can you see it? And it helped us to create a funny and sort of clumsy, unrealistic body silhouette. It is very important for making an expressive character, so we used it. And the third thing, that we made a huge character which took the whole list, and it is very important step in your sketching practice when you are a beginner, or maybe you are not a beginner but you still struggle with fears around drawing people. Start to draw it quickly and huge, and these two little tricks, they will help you to avoid a huge part of your concerns around it. So I hope that my today's practice and my today's tutorial was helpful and fun. It is the very important part, that it should be fun, it should be interesting, engaging for you. I hope it was so, because for me I was in such a quick mode that it happened inevitably. I will put my sketch and the reference to it into my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description, so you can go there and observe my sketch and the reference. You can use this reference for your today's practice, but of course you can choose any reference you have, or maybe you will make your own photo, or it could be a frame from the movie, or you can find a reference everywhere. But what you need to do today, you can find a reference, the whole body person, and to use this strategy, create the list and draw the full body sketch on this list. And you have to use this lasso instrument in Procreate and try to do it in 5 minutes. The 5 minutes, it is, I want you to understand me correct, that 5 minutes limitation, it is a helper for you. It helps you to do it quicker and without any concerns, or you don't feel anxious when you draw very quickly and you have only this short amount of time. So just believe me, try to do it and use 5 minutes and 30 seconds, and that's enough. So you can do it. I believe in you. Just try to do it. Don't find excuses. If you want to draw, just draw. And you can show me your sketch also in my free Telegram channel. The link, as I told you before, is in the description, and in today's post you can drop your sketch in the comments and write a couple of words about you. Who are you, where are you from? And I'm especially interested in your today's practice. Just describe it in a few words, how it felt for you. What was strange, what felt unusual, something maybe was difficult, and maybe you felt some barriers inside yourself. Just try to explain, try to describe all these feelings, and it will help me to help you in future, because I use this material for creating my new tutorials. Thank you for your attention to my channel. I will see you very soon in my upcoming videos. See you there. Bye.